Bitcoin sees its first major sell-off of 2024 as liquidations exceed $650 million. A Matrixport research report suggests that the SEC plans to reject every single BTC spot ETF application in January. And the monthly NFT volume of Solana has topped Ethereum's for the very first time. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Best of luck if you choose to invest, but as a reminder, I'm not a financial or investment advisor, and so this video is not official financial or investment advice. Bitcoin just experienced its first major sell-off of 2024 with a 7% drop in price over a 24-hour period. It went as low as $40,813, largely attributed to rumors of a potential rejection of its spot ETF. Bitcoin had 4 consecutive bullish monthly closes in 2023, resulting in a total gain of 150%, which prompted experts to anticipate a necessary correction. Bitcoin miners sold approximately 4,000 Bitcoin worth over $176 million in the past 10 days, contributing to the sell-off. The combined impact of sell-offs and concerns about potential ETF rejections has led to over $655 million in liquidations, mostly affecting long traders. And so experts in the industry are engaging in damage control, reassuring investors that the current price slump is temporary and that the market may see an upward trend post-ETF approval. According to the betting market, there is an 88% chance of a Bitcoin ETF approval by the 15th of January. Altcoin Buzz Alpha would like to congratulate all of our members on a very profitable month of November 2023. During that time, Bitcoin rallied past $35,000 and is now hovering around $43,000. But on the 4th of November, we published an alpha report and mentioned these BTC targets. And because we had a clear target in mind, we planned our November strategy meticulously. And we not only achieved, but we surpassed all of our targets. Overall, we had 61% profit in BTC, 100% profit on 6 of our portfolio coins, 200% or 3x profit on our gems call, 3 to 5x profits from 4 IDOs, and $1,800 in profit on buy and sell calls. You can get access to all of this and still join Altcoin Buzz Alpha for only $15 a month. You can also get an 8% discount on yearly subscriptions. For more information, check out the link in the description below. As if Michael Saylor weren't already excited enough, he's preparing to sell 315,000 MTSR shares, that's MicroStrategy, worth $215 million in order to buy even more Bitcoin, this time personally. Goldman Sachs is in talks to become an authorized participant for potential Bitcoin ETFs to be issued by BlackRock and Grayscale, that's according to CoinDesk reports. And as a potential AP, Goldman Sachs would be responsible for the creation and redemption of ETF shares. CoinDesk's report cited unnamed sources and suggested that the investment bank could be interested in signing on as an AP for either BlackRock or Grayscale. But this isn't the first time Goldman Sachs has been mentioned alongside spot Bitcoin ETFs. A December 22nd amendment to Hashdex's S1 lists Goldman Sachs as a, quote, authorized purchaser. Goldman Sachs potentially joining the Bitcoin ETF orbit would make it the latest major financial firm to get on board, joining the likes of JP Morgan, BlackRock, Fidelity, and BNY Mellon, among several other very big names. Additionally, the $4.5 trillion asset manager Fidelity officially filed a registration of securities with the SEC for its spot Bitcoin ETF. And the filing is yet another step towards potential approval of one of the first Bitcoin ETFs in the United States. Fidelity has met with the SEC on multiple occasions to discuss the application and give insight on how important the ETF will be. In related news, Matrixport, which is a crypto investment services provider, anticipates the US SEC will reject all Bitcoin ETF applications in January of 2024. Matrixport cites SEC Chair Gensler's lack of enthusiasm for crypto and the dominance of Democrats in the current 5-person voting commissioner's leadership as factors contributing to the expected rejection. Gensler's comments in December of 2023, just last month, suggest a belief in the crypto industry needing more stringent compliance, making approval of a Bitcoin spot ETF less likely from a political perspective. Now, the approval of a spot BTC ETF in the US was widely anticipated and did contribute to Bitcoin's significant price increase in late 2023, closing out the year at about 160% in the positive. But Matrix Ports estimate that the $10 billion of the extra $14 billion deployed into crypto since September is related directly to expectations around ETF approval. BTC experienced a nearly 7% decline in a very short period of time and is currently trading at about $42,000, or at least it was directly following this negative news. The crypto industry has sought approval for a spot BTF now for years, with various asset managers like BlackRock, Fidelity, Franklin Templeton, Valkyrie, and Van Eck currently awaiting SEC approval. If the SEC rejects all BTC spot ETF applications, Matrix Port analyst Market Thielen predicts cascading liquidations causing billions of dollars in perpetual long Bitcoin futures to unwind. And the potential liquidations could be a sharp drop in Bitcoin's price as well, estimated to be at least around 20%, which would bring the price of Bitcoin back into the range of $36,000 to $38,000. Despite short-term volatility following an SEC denial, Thielen maintains a bullish outlook for 2024, and Matrix Port anticipates Bitcoin's value to surpass its starting point of $42,000 by the end of the year, based on historical patterns of US election years and Bitcoin mining cycles. Switching gears now, just want to remind you, if you're watching this video, that the Storm Warfare free mint is going to be released late January. Follow them at Storm Warfare on Twitter, and be sure not to miss this offer once it becomes available. All right, in other news here, the Ethereum Name Service, or ENS token, has experienced a remarkable surge of over 50% in value, reaching a 6-month high of $14.71 following an endorsement by Ethereum co-founder himself, Vitalik Buterin. Vitalik emphasizes the critical role of ENS in the broader crypto ecosystem, contributing to the substantial rise in the token's value and marking its highest point since April. ENS serves as the governance token for the Ethereum Name Service project, playing a pivotal role in simplifying cryptocurrency transactions by allowing users to acquire domain names on the Ethereum blockchain. The increased adoption of Ethereum-based domains, with over 2.1 million registered to date, contributes to the growing importance of ENS in the Ethereum landscape. Now, following Vitalik's endorsement, the trading volume for ENS tokens experienced a massive surge. It went up by 1,764%. The market's responsive nature to influential voices in the crypto space, of course, is often highlighted by the very substantial increase in trading activity, and this was no exception. Buterin envisions integrating ENS with Layer 2 blockchains to enhance decentralized finance, or DeFi, user experiences, aligning with the market's direction and positioning ENS as a crucial component in the evolution of the Ethereum ecosystem. And the positive market reaction suggests promising future prospects for ENS, with expectations of future growth and integration in the evolving crypto landscape. And finally, some pretty important news here. Solana NFT sales have surpassed Ethereum's in terms of monthly volume for the very first time in December of 2023. Totaling about $366.5 million, that's for Solana, compared to Ethereum's $353.2 million, that's all according to data from CryptoSlam. Now, CryptoSlam's figures exclude suspicious trades like wash trading, with approximately $381 million worth of Ethereum sales and $10.1 million worth of Solana sales excluded. Solana's total NFT trades almost match its all-time high in October from 3 years ago now, October 2021, reaching nearly $373.5 million in December. Solana also sees double the number of unique buyers and sellers, with approximately 218,000 sellers and 279,000 buyers across almost 6.6 million NFT transactions. In contrast, Ethereum has about 114,000 sellers and over 143,000 buyers across 698,000 transactions. Ethereum's NFT sales volume remains flat compared to November, hovering around $350 million, while Solana experienced a nice surge from about $83 million in the same period. Solana's price, of course, also increased nicely and is up over 71% in the past month alone, and it also more than quadrupled in the past 3 months, which all of this may be very well contributing to the spike in NFT sales, but it doesn't fully explain the significant increase in unique traders and monthly transactions. Broader momentum around Solana, however, and hype around specific projects such as Tensorians and Mad Lads likely contributed to the increased user activity and transactions on the Solana network. Solana experienced exceptional growth in 2023, surging by 920% over the course of the year, really making it one of the best performing cryptos during that period. And a significant factor contributing to Solana's success was a substantial increase in network activity. In just a month, the Solana network added approximately 600,000 more active addresses. And plus, alongside that surge in active addresses, Solana also experienced very notable growth in its DeFi ecosystem.